Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cheche. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this black eyeshadow, this black smoky eye shadow. Yeah, that's what it's called. So this is my second time trying this look. I tried it once when I started doing makeup newly and it turned out so bad. I looked so terrible because I didn't know how to place the eyeshadows and everything, and I really wanted to do a smoky eye. But then it was so bad, and since then I've been so afraid to try it. But then I started to try it today and I'm so glad it turned out so nice. And I hope you guys will enjoy watching this video, and thank you for subscribing to my channel. And if you haven't subscribed, come on, just subscribe, like this video, and yeah, let's get to this video.
Pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want, and we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment. Time, we know it's all done. Take a bow, you win. Oh, swim against your tide, it keeps pulling me in. We fight and we fall, can we rise through it all till we find what we want, and we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment. Falling all over again, and our hands are tight, can't fight it. Can we go through this again? Will we fight and we fall? Can we rise through it all till we find what we want, and we lose it all again? Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment. Back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want, and we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment. Time, we know it's all done. Take a bow, you win. Oh, swim against your tide, it keeps pulling me in. We fight and we fall, can we rise through it all till we find what we want, and we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment. I just keep falling all over again. And our hands are tight, can't fight it. Can we go through this again? Will we fight and we fall? Can we rise through it all till we find what we want? Then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment. Lost in the moment. You got me lost in the moment. Lost in the moment. Lost in the moment. Pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. Will we fight and we fall? Can we rise through it all till we find what we want? Then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment. Lost in the moment. Nowhere left to run. Oh, trying to bide our time. We know it's all done. Take a bow, you win. Oh, swam against your tide, it keeps pulling me in. We fight and we fall. Can we rise through it all till we find what we want? And we lose it all.
Okay guys, so this is the end of this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'm going to leave the link to all the products I use as well as the brushes. And yes, thank you guys for watching once again. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.